Hey guys, samanthaluvreborn here. 9:25 p.m. I styled my hair for the video because I don't even know why. I just kind of did. I changed my clothes. PJs now, just tank top from Aeropostale. So I kind of figured a new name for him because there's not a lot of reborn babies named that in the reborn community. So I'm thinking about Bentley. I'm going to have to call him that for a few days for me to decide whether I want that or not. So, does he look like a Bentley? Let me know, PM me, or um, comment below. Say he looks like a Bentley, sure, that's a good name, or no, not a good name. And then tell me the name you want me to name him. So yeah, I just thought Bentley would go good. Um, I don't even know. I don't know. I'm on a baby name site right now. The names are like kind of ridiculous because like there's like um Ale or something. Um Abe, Abby for a boy. Are you kidding me? Who would name that? Abel, Abe, another Abby, Abraham. I would never name my kid that. No offense, but I wouldn't. Um there's Aiden. I might change it to that. I'm thinking about Aiden. So I mean, yeah. Or there's Benton. I'm thinking about either Aiden, um, Benton, or Bentley. So there's Bentley, um, Benton, and Bentley. So and Aiden. So out of those names, if you want me to say them again, I can. Aiden, Bentley, Bentley, or Brenton. So yeah, comment below or PM me. And any request, go ahead and request it. So yeah, bye.